Are you ready to save some serious cash on car insurance? Let's dive into how to score cheap auto insurance with Geico, saving you money without sacrificing coverage. First, and a crucial step, is to compare quotes. Visit Geico's website and get your quote, and explore other insurance providers. Ensure you're comparing apples to apples, making your coverage levels the same across the board for a true price comparison. Geico offers a slew of discounts, and you need to take advantage of them. Start by exploring the common discounts you qualify for. Look into a safe driver discount, or if you have a good, clean driving record, this can translate into serious savings. Check if you qualify for a multi-policy discount by bundling auto insurance with other policies, such as homeowners or renters insurance. You can also snag discounts for being a student, having a federal employee affiliation, or even for defensive driving courses. Now, let's talk about coverage. The type of coverage you select directly affects your premiums. Carefully review the different liability limits, collision, and comprehensive coverage options. Choosing the minimum coverage to get you legal can save money, but remember, it may leave you open to financial risk in a collision. Consider your needs and balance your savings with sufficient protection. Finally, maintain your policy and periodically reevaluate your coverage. Geico's app and website make it easy to manage your policy and review your discounts, and keep your profile up to date. Drive safely, keep an eye out for those discounts, and you'll be cruising towards affordable auto insurance in no time.